How to make a website for free domain and hosting. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own website with free hosting platform and a free domain. So let's get started. When it comes to creating our own website, we know that there are different platforms out there, but all platforms do not give us an opportunity to create multiple sites from one admin to get your own domain with just like one pricing plan and also allow you to do hosting. So, I'm going to tell you about a platform that is all in one and allows you to create a website, gives you a free domain in your plan, and free hosting. So, what you have to do is simply go to bluehost.com and you will land on this platform right here. Bluehost is a website hosting and builder that allows you to build your own website. It works pretty good with your WordPress, and you can do your WordPress hosting with Bluehost. And the best thing is that we also get our own free domain with our plan, and we get our free, certificate free hosting. So this is actually pretty amazing. So how to sign up for Bluehost? What you have to do is you will go to this option right here which says log in. If you are already signed up, you will simply go ahead and enter your email name or your domain name and password, and you will simply log in. Or if you want to sign up, then you can simply go ahead and sign up with your Google account, or you can simply go ahead and sign up with your email address. Once you do that, then you will get your own Bluehost dashboard, and then you will be able to access all of the features and tools. So with Bluehost, we will be getting a lot of different features, tools, and everything. So before we get into it, let's go ahead and check out the pricing plan, because from here you will actually get a better idea how we get a free domain and how Bluehost is like a better option than others. So when it comes to our pricing plans, you will be able to find a plan which is a shared hosting plan, and it is just $2.95 per month. Literally just $3. And in $3, you are getting a free domain for the first year. Any domain name, I am talking about .com, .net, and then you will get a free SSL certificate and WordPress installation. So in just $2.95 per month, this is how we get free domain and free hosting with Bluehost. And then if you want to go for other plans, of course, that will give you more features. You can go and create your own website builder with Bluehost, and it is just going to be $4.95 per month. Like, the pricing is actually crazy cheap, and you can see right here, in just almost $5 you will be getting all of these different things for 36 months. And then we have online store option that is for $15.95 per month. So you can simply go ahead and sign up with any of these plans, and you will be able to get your own free domain name and a free hosting within your plan. Now I will show you how website hosting works. So if we go to WordPress hosting, and Bluehost is actually one of the plugins available on WordPress, and it allows you to build your own website. When it comes to WordPress, of course, we will be getting a free domain for 1 year. We will be getting WordPress integrations, and this plan includes automatic WordPress installation. So Bluehost automatically installs the latest and the most secure version of WordPress for you. Then there is a Microsoft 365 available. So with Bluehost, we not just only get our website, but you will also be getting a business email. And this is all included in your plan. In just like the starting plan is $2.95, and all of the other features are given. We actually get 50 GB of storage, and then we have marketing options and paid add-ons as well. Then the good thing about Bluehost is that we can not only just, host one website, but we can go with unlimited websites as well. So here's another feature that makes Bluehost stand out is that we can create unlimited websites in just $5. And again, we will be getting a free domain and free CD and included free SSL certificate too. So this is how it works on Bluehost. Now, let me show you how to get a domain name. When it comes to Bluehost, we can simply get our own domain names. And when it comes to domain names, you will be able to find all of them right here. If I click here, you will get this drop down menu, and in here we have .com, .net, .org, .online, .site, .website, .tag, .store, .blog, .me. So all of the domain names are available. To get a domain name, what you do is you simply enter the name that you're looking for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and type in the name for my store or maybe a website that I'm creating, and I want .com for that. So now I have entered this name and I'm going to click on search. When you click on search, then Bluehost finds the domain availability for you. If the domain name is available, then you will simply, get it right here. If it's not available, then you will get all of the different suggestions as well. So you can see like this one is not available, thedreamers.com. So now it's giving me all of these different options, such as we have the dreamers.tag, the dreamers.site, the dreamers.store, then we have the dreamers.blog, the individuals.net. So these are the different, options that I'm getting. But keep in mind, if you have already bought a plan with Bluehost, then the domain name is going to be free. When we separately buy a domain name, then it can be expensive because there are domain names available for $18 and $22. But with the plan, we actually get free domain name, so you don't need to pay for it. You will simply select the right domain name for your website, whatever domain name you want to go for, .blog, .store, all of the famous ones are available. You can actually do different, changes in order to customize your own domain name. Once you do that, you simply add it to your cart, and that will be your domain name available on Bluehost. So this is how you get a domain name. Then we also have a website and store option. So with Bluehost, you can not only create websites, you can also create your online store. And with online store, again, we get a lot of different integrations. You can add your WooCommerce, you can connect your WordPress through your store as well. The pricing plan for store is going to be different than the website, but you will be getting a free domain name and all of the different options such as a built-in editor, control, and manage. And this is how you can simply go ahead and sign up for Bluehost right now. It's all in one pretty good platform. And if you had no idea about Bluehost, well, now you know that there is a platform that allows you to create a website with free domain name and free hosting. And this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.